Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking the essentials: how you feel, what fits, and a calm time to talk. Once done, pick a relaxed moment when mom isn't rushed and you both can sit. Bring a couple of options: sports, starter bras, sizes, so she can see what you mean. Explain briefly how it would help daily comfort and confidence. You want a clear, simple opening line that frames the request. State need, show one example, and ask to try one on together. You continue by explaining the why: discomfort, chafing, or wanting better support for activities. Use one or two specific examples, for instance, gym class or tighter shirts. Next, show the options and explain differences: sports bras for activity, soft training bras for gentle support. Once you've shown choices, ask her to help measure or to go shopping together. Be open to her questions. Answer simply and honestly. You finish by turning the talk into action. Suggest a concrete plan: measure this week, shop this weekend, or try one at home. Confirm what each of you will do and set a time. If mom hesitates, propose a compromise like a lower-cost starter bra or ordering a couple to try and return what doesn't fit. If emotions rise, pause and give space, then schedule another calm chat. Troubleshooting: if you can't agree, ask a trusted adult or the store fitter to join the next discussion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.